May I now request Mr. Sanjay Upadhyay, President International Business Chamber, Gujarat, to say a few words.
His Excellency Yahya bin Said Abdullah Al Jabri, His Excellency Sheikh Abdul Salam Muhammad Al Murshidi, Honorable Energy Minister of Gujarat Sri Saurabhbhai Patel, host of this evening Indian Ambassador Mr. Manu Mahawar, and respected all dignities. Once the God was pleased with three persons, he said, I am pleased with your good deed. Ask whatever you want. First fellow asked for gold. The God said, Tathastu. He got tons of gold. Second fellow said, I want diamonds and jewelry. And he got tons of it. The God was giving. Third fellow said, give me the address of these two fellow. And the third person was the businessman. So we are here to give you the address of the above two. 6.5 million Gujarati are vibrating in Gujarat. The annual growth rate is around 10 since last 5 years. Gujarati people are spread out worldwide. And here in Oman, we are meeting with world's richest currency. And as per the extensive vision of our Honorable Indian Prime Minister Sri Narendra Bhai Modi, we as a team Vision 2020 are here to facilitate to take forward his dream, a new India, a better India. The Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Sri Vijay Bhai Rupani, and the whole Gujarat government are also supporting this Vision 2020 event. And I personally would like to say thank you to Honorable Sri Saurabhbhai Patel on behalf of the entire team of Vision 2020. Your enlightening presence is giving all of us a motivational strength. We, the Vision 2020 team, is here with the delegates of India from various industries sector like solar, wind energy, ceramic energy, mining energy, timber, education, health, and pharma, information technology, and real estate sector also. We are really grateful and thankful to the Honorable Ambassador. Sir, we are thankful to Fraternity of Merchant Business Community Oman and Muscat Gujarati Samaj for their kind support and help. This Vision 2020 event is the initial rock-solid step toward building a strong bilateral business relationship between India and Oman. We wish to have a delegation from Oman to India for further development of business in various sectors and strengthen the relation further to next level. We got so much response, respect, and love from Oman in this event, and we are always ready to give all the support to any further development. You can contact us anytime. We will always there to give you the prompt response. And I am really grateful today to launch the Vision 2020 AV. For this, I am kindly requesting to Honorable Minister Sri Saurabhbhai Patel to come forward and kindly launch this Vision 2020 event. Sir.
हम निकल पड़े हैं प्रण करके, अपना तन मन अर्पण करके, अपना तन मन अर्पण करके। जिद है, जिद है, जिद है, एक सूर्य उगाना है, जिद है, एक सूर्य उगाना है, अंबर से ऊंचा जाना है, अंबर से ऊंचा जाना है। एक भारत नया बनाना है, एक भारत नया बनाना है।